I'm just saying, speaking on the situation. But yeah, man, that shit was crazy, bro. I said, whoa, he jumped in that water like Michael felt like I was swimming like a goddamn fish. Yeah, he ready to bang on no boy. I said, whoa, is this for real? Oh man, I said, dog, man, this is crazy. Yeah, they ready to whoop it. But, bro, everybody jumped in the water. People come out the boat. Oh, bro, I boat with the trail. I said, oh, man, they going viral. That shit was really, really, really crazy. I said, man, hold on, Mike. Hold on. Check it out. Boom. Oh, boy, came through. He threw that head up like, oh, hell no. Hats off, everybody. We finna get it in. But old boy, I don't know, understand how they done it. He arguing with old boy. He come from this way. Then we see little ninja boy come out the boat coming this way. Like, what the hell? And that was it. Old boy was like, hell no. Let me take my shirt off. You don't want me to take my shirt off. He take his shirt off. He was like, fuck this. This job, I'm finna get in some ass now. I'm finna whoop some ass. I'm finna whoop some ass. I said, damn. It's going down. Oh boy, that was a trip. That boy ready to pop. Man, I said, whoa. They got on the boat. This thing, you know. Everybody coming off the boat. Oh man, the lady, she get up, man, say it was crazy. Man, I know they clucked over here with a chair. Oh man, the other one, they should have threw her in the water. Oh man, it was crazy. But hey, jumping ain't nice. People want to make, man, no, jumping ain't nice. I don't care. You jump me, I got a flame for you. Man, I wish you would jump me. Like, man, hold on, man. And she put in his head and shit. What the fuck? Man, I would have, man, then oh boy, I thought he stuck one on. Bow. I said, oh shit. Man, so you put in the, man, 50-50. Hit me, I'm gonna hit you back. Then oh, pop the pop. Then oh boy hit her with a truck. Boom. I said, oh man, that boy, everybody got his back. From all around the world, they had his back on that one, man. I said, whoa, bam. I said, oh shit. That man say, they can't make like we the violent ones. We not the violent ones. No. They clicked on him. I want to hear the excuses. I want to hear somebody really try to defend that bullshit. That was some bullshit. Damn, they really try to click on him. He just doing his job. Come on, man. Just doing your job. You get clicked on like that. That was crazy. Damn. Bop, bop. Nah. That's why you say you never know who watching. You never know who watching. You never know. So you think you getting over on somebody watching. They ain't with a camera. They might got them things for your ass. So good. Good work, everybody. Good work. Cause man say, if y'all want to help them, they would act like he tried to do something to them and act like he was in the wrong and all that type of drama. Cause hey, it was already 1, 2, 3 already whooping his butt. And then we had one didn't want nobody to break up the damn fight. Like, what the hell is you doing? He stop. Old boy coming from the top. Y'all saw him come from the top. He come down there, old boy trying to stop him. No, man, you ain't finna let him get his ass whooped like that, man. From all y'all crazy. Y'all crazy. Y'all got like, he got on that ass. That's what's up. Good job. Jumping ain't nice, for real. I'm like, whoa! He put, man, it's like, much love to y'all, man. Say, but man, if not, they would try to flip everything to own him, make it look like he was the bad guy, and he didn't do nothing but doing his job. No, they drunk ass. Hey, y'all know. He got something on his ass. He had something for them, and y'all thought y'all gonna click on him. Nope. All that alcohol got y'all a rude awakening. Y'all thought y'all had some power. I don't know if y'all mad over the Trump shit, but no, you ramped up the wrong tree. You did. with that bullshit.